I chewed just 2 cloves a day for 7 days. Not clove tea, not clove oil, just plain, whole cloves. By day 3, something unexpected happened. By day 5, I noticed a change I wasn't prepared for. And by day 7, I understood why this tiny spice has been used for thousands of years. But here's the part nobody talks about. It's not just about digestion. Let me show you exactly what happened. Cloves don't look powerful. They're small, dry, almost decorative. But inside each clove is a compound called eugenol, and one of the most studied plant compounds for antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves have been used in traditional Indian medicine, Chinese herbal practices, Middle Eastern remedies, ancient Egyptian preparations. Yet most people today only use them in holiday baking. So I wanted to test something simple. 2 cloves, once per day, chewed slowly for 7 days. No other changes, no detox drinks, no supplements, just cloves. Let me be honest, chewing cloves is strong, spicy, warm, almost numbing. Within about 2 minutes, my mouth felt slightly tingly. That's the eugenol at work. Cloves naturally have mild numbing properties, which is why they've historically been used for tooth discomfort. But what surprised me wasn't the taste. It was what happened about 20 minutes later. My stomach felt calm, not heavy, not bloated, just lighter. By the 3rd day, I noticed something consistent. Less bloating after meals. Now here's why that might matter. Cloves contain compounds that may support healthy stomach acid production, help reduce unwanted bacteria, support smoother digestion. They've even been studied for their ability to help reduce gas-forming microbes in the gut. Was it dramatic? No. But it was noticeable and consistent. This is where it got interesting. I woke up on day 4 and realized morning breath was almost gone. Cloves are naturally antibacterial. They've been shown to inhibit certain oral bacteria linked to bad breath. Instead of masking odor like gum, they may actually reduce odor-causing microbes. That surprised me. Now here's the part I didn't expect. By day 5, my cravings were lower, especially late at night. Now before you think this is magic, let's talk science. Cloves contain antioxidants that may support blood sugar balance, insulin sensitivity, reduced oxidative stress. Some small studies suggest clove extracts may help improve glucose regulation. When blood sugar is more stable, cravings often calm down. Was I suddenly shredded? No, but the constant snack urge, lower. That was the real surprise. Day 6 felt subtle but important. I didn't feel wired. I didn't feel stimulated. I just felt steady. Cloves are rich in antioxidants. In fact, they rank extremely high on the ORAC scale, which measures antioxidant capacity. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, and oxidative stress is linked to fatigue, inflammation, metabolic strain. When inflammation lowers, energy can feel smoother, not explosive, just stable. By the 7th day, I realized something important. Cloves aren't dramatic, they're supportive. No detox shock, no miracle transformation, no overnight weight loss. But here's what I experienced. Calmer digestion, fresher breath, reduced cravings, more stable energy, all from 2 small cloves per day. And here's the bigger takeaway. Sometimes it's not about adding something extreme. It's about adding something consistent. Now this matters. Cloves are powerful. Too many can cause mouth irritation, digestive discomfort, liver stress if consumed excessively, especially clove oil. Stick to 1 to 2 whole cloves. Chewed slowly, not long-term without breaks. And if you're pregnant, on blood thinners, or managing medical conditions, always check with a professional first. Natural doesn't mean unlimited. The shocking effect wasn't dramatic, it was controlled, stable, subtle but noticeable. Cloves reminded me that small daily habits can gently support the body's natural systems. Will I keep chewing them every day? Not forever. But as a short reset? Absolutely. Now I'm curious. If you had to try one small habit for 7 days, what would it be? Drop it in the comments.